Okay, so let's talk about the rest of these fraction cards. So let's start with the easiest one first. I'm going to start with a half. Where does a half go? It goes right in the middle. It goes on 5, right? I'm going to put it right here on 5. I'm going to put it there on the bottom because we have two groups. We have this group and this group. All right, two groups. We're right in the half, right in the middle of it. So the next one that I want to talk about is our thirds. That means that we're going to have 3 groups. Now, that means that we're going to have 1 group, 2 groups, and then 3 groups. But how are we going to find out exactly where those are at? Well, this is what we're going to do. Just like we divided with the other one, we're going to divide here. So I'm going to have my 3, and actually I'm just going to put it by 10 because we only had our 10 here. So 3 goes into 10 3 times, right? Because 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract that and we end up with 1. Okay, so what if we subtracted it again? Or pulled down another 1 and we did it again? Well, now we end up with another 3. And then if we kept going, we would just end up with a bunch of 3's, right? It would be 3.33333. So I'm just going to look at 33 because this is our 10s. We have 3 10s, we have 3 1s. So I'm going to count out 33. And that's what I did here. I counted out 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 33. And that's where I put my 1/3. Then I counted out another 33, and I ended up over here at 2/3. And then I counted out another 33, and I ended up over here with our 3/3. So I ended up with 3 sections. This one here, this one right there, it's a little bit too long for my hand, and then this one over here. That's super easy because I have 1/3. Well, 1/3 is right here, right there. And then I have 2/3. And I'm going to take my 2/3, I'm going to put it over here where my 2/3 are at, right there. Bam. Now, we also have a 1/4. 1/4s are super easy, guys. You have $1. It's already broken up into 4ths. How much is a quarter worth? 25. Okay, so 25. So I'm going to look here for 25. So this is 1, this is 10, 25. So right there, that's 1/4. And then I'm going to count another 25, and I'm going to get 2/4. And then I'm going to count another 25, and I'm going to end up with 3/4. And then here at the end, I'm going to have an even whole number. So I'm going to put my 3/4 right here on my 3/4 area. And 5s, that might seem a little bit more complicated, but this one really isn't, because when you divide 5 into 10, 5 divided by 10 is 2, right? So that means every 2. So every 2, we have 1, 2, that's 1/5. 1, 2, that's 2/5. 1, 2, 3/5. 1, 2, 4/5. 1, 2, 5/5. So I'm going to put my 4/5 right there, bam. All right, so that's how we do our fractions.